guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for another CVS video. Now, I wanted to take advantage of the Epic Beauty event, and so I'm going to be doing another set of deals on top of that. Well, for starters, if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time to the face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, push girl. And so, listen, Joseph's down to his last bottle of Tide, and this is Tide that I got at CVS years ago. I stocked up crazy when the extra care bucks were doubling, and so he's down to his last bottle. And so I think today I'm gonna run a deal, a household deal, so that I can stock him up, since all he uses is Tide. And if I'm gonna go buy one bottle for 15 bucks, I might as well run a deal here and get 2 bottles, right? And so I'm gonna be doing how many transactions? I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do 3 transactions today. I hope everything works out. I'm starting off with nothing. I'm using another card, and my goal for CVS, coming back to CVS, is just to do 2 cards. We're not doing any more than that. That's it. And so the first transaction is going to be the beauty one, and then second one we'll do oral care, and then the third one and final one we'll do household, and we'll walk away with 10. I don't think I'm gonna roll the 10 in. I did mention in my last video that I'm gonna just hold on to some extra care bucks, our rewards, at Walgreens, so that I'm not starting off each week with nothing. Without further ado, we're gonna head in and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see what you're going to do, keep on watching.
Yeah, so the first deal that we're gonna do to start off today is gonna be on the L'Oreal. Those bottles are extremely tiny. OMG, I did not know they were this freaking small. Wow, what a shock. Well, I guess I shouldn't be shocked, to be honest, but anyway, so we're gonna start with this deal on the L'Oreal Elvive. They're priced at 2 for $10. It's also buy 2 get back 3, and we do have a 3 off of 2 digital. So the deal alone, you'd pay 7 get back 3, makes them $2 a piece. The girl is over there cleaning the whole shelf, so she has everything off of it. So we're gonna do this deal on the Eucerin over here. Now for this deal, they are on sale for $4.99, and it's buy 1 get back 3. Now this, you can get the Eucerin, the Nivea, or the Aquaphora. And so we're gonna grab one, price at $4.99. You'll get back $3 in extra care bucks, bringing this down to $1.99. And then the last thing that we're gonna be grabbing is gonna be on the Neutrogena. It's priced at $10.99 for this particular one, and it's spend 10 get back 5. So doing this deal alone makes it $7.49. First transaction's gonna look like. Our total before coupons is $25.98. After our 10 off 25 and our other digitals, we will pay $9.48 and get back 11. So this should end up being a 52-cent moneymaker. So let's go check out and see if it works out. All right, so this is what my transaction looks like. Everything worked out perfect. Both my digitals came off. There goes that 10 off of 25. So total was $9.48. And we did get back $11 in extra care bucks, making this transaction a 52-cent moneymaker. So our next transaction, we're going to do oral care. We're doing the Colgate again, as well as the Crest, because these are 2 really great deals. A good time to stock up on oral care as well. And so we're going to be grabbing the Colgate. They are on sale for $3.99. And it is buy 2, get back 4. So 2 of them is going to be $7.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital. That'll bring that total down to $4.98. You'll get back the 4 in extra care bucks, making them only 49 cents each. We're also grabbing the Crest as well. They barely had any left, you guys. So we're gonna grab a total of 3 of them, priced at $3.99. That total is gonna come to $11.97. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital that we're gonna use, bringing that total down to $6.97. And we'll get back the 5 in extra care bucks, bringing them down to $1.97 for all 3, or only 65 cents. So this is what the second transaction is gonna look like. Just the Crest and the Colgate. That total before our coupons is $19.95. We'll have $8 in digital coupons, which will bring our total down to $11.95. We're going to roll the $11 from our first transaction into this one. We'll only pay 95 cents out of pocket, but we're going to get back $9 in extra care bucks. So let's go check out. All right, so that worked out good as well. There goes the Colgate and the Crest. Both of our digitals came off. I wrote $11 in extra care bucks. Subtotal was 95 cents, and we got back 9. So I'm gonna do one more transaction, and then we'll be out of here. All right, y'all. So we're gonna be doing the household deal next. Now I wanted to get Tide, 2 liquid Tides for Joseph, so I could stock him up, but we don't have a digital. I thought we had a digital for Tide on the CVS app, but we don't. So I'm going to be using the Coupon 24 app for the very first time today. I hope it all goes well. I'm going to grab the Tide. Now, with the app, it's through PNG, so I'm going to scan it first just to make sure that it works. I mean, I know that it works because I already scanned it, but let me see. So then there's a $3 coupon there as a digital. From my understanding, it's only good for an hour after you clip it. So we're going to clip it for the Tide. It's priced at $12.99. The next thing that I'm going to grab is the Gain Liquid. And again, this one doesn't have a digital on the CVS app either. So I'm going to use Coupon 24 app to see if there's an offer. There's one for $3. So we're going to clip that one. I'm really hoping this works, y'all. So we're gonna grab that one. The last thing I'm gonna grab, I was gonna do Tide Pods, but they don't have any. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the Downy Unstoppables. They're on sale for $6.99. And then for this one, I'm gonna scan it and see if there's a coupon that we can use on the Coupon 24 app. So $2. So we're gonna clip that one. I really am hoping this works, y'all. So this is what the last transaction is going to look like. This is going to come to $32.97 after the $8 in digitals on the Coupon 24 app. It'll bring it down to $24.97, and then I'm going to roll the $9 from the second transaction into this. We'll pay $15.97 and get back the 10. So I really am crossing my fingers that this works. I'm going to try scanning the barcode that it generates for all of the items and see if that works. If it doesn't work, then I'll just scan each individual barcode. So I will definitely let you guys know how this works out. All right, y'all, listen, that worked out perfectly. Oh, I went to self-checkout first. It did not work over there. Cashier came over and said it's better to do them with the regular register. And so there goes the Downy, the Gain, the Tide. All my digitals came off, as you can see, 332. And then I rolled $9 in extra care bucks. We paid $15.76 subtotal and got back the 10. So that worked out absolutely perfect, y'all. I popped my Coupon 24 cherry woo woo. And I'm not even gonna lie, that out of pocket had me feeling some type of way. Like, I'm just like, oh my gosh. $15.76 out of pocket. But I'm like, look, I gotta buy the Tide anyways. I might as well get a good deal on it. I pay $15. I might as well get $15 for all 3 products. And I can sell those 2 and get back on 15 anyway. So it's a win-win. All right. And so with that being said, I will see you guys either in the car or at home for the final breakdown. If you are still watching, you are right here and you are still watching right here with me. Don't forget to hit that like button, y'all. It's the littlest thing that you can do. And so, yeah, see you in a bit for the final breakdown.
All right, so this is my complete haul for CVS for today. Now, I really was trying to work out a deal with the cereal because that's a great deal as well. General Mills and Select Kellogg are on sale for $1.99. I believe the General Mills, we have $1 off 2 digital. I have dollar pillies I was going to use that I got from Walmart. And then $1 back for buying 2 on Ibotta. And then I also had a 50-cent bonus, so it'll literally be like 50 cents for $2. So I may just go back and grab just that. But I was trying to work cereal deals into like a final transaction to use the $10 reward, or extra care buck rather. But I just couldn't make it work. The Kellogg is $1.99 as well. And then I think for that one, getting back $1 when you buy 2 on Ibotta. And then $1 when you buy 2 is also on Checkout 51 and the sister apps. And so I probably will go back and just get 2 of each. And so I wanted to mention that. So with that being said, I'll make this brief because I think we covered everything in the video. So everything you see here retails $78.90.
We had a total of $32.50. That was digitals and that 10 off 25 CRT, which brought the total down to $46.40. And then I did roll $20 in extra care bucks, which brought it further down to $26.40 out of pocket. And then I do walk away with a $10 extra care buck for the household deal. It nets everything at a total of $16.40 or $1.36 each. I think that's pretty decent. Now I did have 4% back on Ibotta, so I did submit 2 of my receipts there. It's still processing. I don't know if I'll get anything back, but if I do, I'll pop it up. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you made it to the end, I want to see a lemon emoji in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.